in this video we will discuss on how to use Autodesk Revit from the beginning. Okay, this is the first user interface of Autodesk Revit. So on the right side you can see the recent file. The previous file that you already opened or created will be listed here. And then to start here, to create models, you select from the left side here, press new button, and then new project window will appear on the screen. Then for the purpose of architectural model or structural model, you can select a specific template. So then we are going to use the construction template here, and then press OK. Then the user interface will change. You can find on the screen the the ribbon where all the tools will be appear here and listed. So there are several tabs available on the ribbon. So architecture tab, structure tab, steel, and so on and so forth. Here you can go through later on. And then on the top here we have the quick access, so you can do measure or see your model in 3D, and then set up the section. Then inside the ribbon we have tools and also panels. There are panels here, so there is a block by vertical line here, so it's the panels. And then down here we have the working area here, and then on the left side of the working area or canvas here we have project browser panel. So basically the panel here can be modified or custom, so you can have this kind of what you call it, arrangement. I think this one the best arrangement. So then you can see the browser, and then on the properties. So the project browser will show you the current active canvas on your screen. Currently the level 0, you can see on the canvas it's highlighted that it's level 0. Okay, so by default it is level 0. Then you can find later the ceiling plans, the 3D view, the elevation view, and other things. On the right side, when you click element of the drawing or drawing elements, it will show you the properties. So right now properties of floor plan, because we currently in the level 0 floor plans. So then you can see the view scale. So the view scale is related to this view scale on the left bottom of the canvas. Okay, and then visibility graphic later on throughout the process of create a model we will discuss the things here. So it's almost the same as AutoCAD. When you click an element, so it will show you the properties window. Okay, down here under the canvas you can find the icons, detail level fine. Currently you can select coarse, medium, or fine, or you can see here also display option, wireframe, hidden line, or realistic. And then here is the sun path, and then shadow. Later we will discuss on this one. Okay, to start create model, we start with creating grid. Okay, let me set from the level 0 the grid here. Press the button grid here, and then the contextual tab, the new tab, background green will appear on the screen. So then you can start. So whether you start vertical grid first or horizontal grid first, it's okay, no problem. So then I will start from top to down. You can see here the component of the grid line here. We have bubble on down here, and then we have the what call it Z here is the elbow, and then we have the square box here, and then tick down here. Okay, then you can see the cursor active in the is modeling cursor still active. So then when you hovering nearby the existing one, so then you can see that it gives you a temporary distance. Okay, so the status here currently it will be like this because we select a line to create the grid line. Okay, so you can set follow this one, and then let's say 4000. Then and then it will automatic 1 and 2 and 3 later on. Okay, so then let's say I set another one here 3, but you want to change or modify the spacing. So first you escape, release the what call it current active command, that is the grid line. So by press escape will twice will change to selection cursor. Its arrow is a selection cursor. So then select this one, and then you can see that the spacing appear, and then you double click, you click it, and then change to 4000. That's it. Okay, and then you can see that I press escape and I release the command, and then when I select, you can see the it gives me the symbols in the what call it grid line. So there's a symbol lock here, and then elbow here, then bubble here at the bottom, and then let me go through this one. So when you click this, so you can bring it up and down. Okay, this and then all together it will be drag. So then if you want to modify only this, only grid number 3, so you unlock it and then click this small circle here and then bring it down or up like that. Okay, so let me create another one. Okay, create the what you call it another grid line. You go to architecture, or you can go to structure. It has also the grid tool. Click here. Let me just randomly select this one randomly. Okay, so how to modify this? So you can select one by one like this. You can do like this. Select this line dimension, click this one, click this one, click this one, click this one. Okay, you can see that the spacing different. So you can make it equal distance based on the overall length here. So you press equal, so then it will be equal, and then spread equally. To undo, Control Z. Okay, we don't want like that. Okay, so we want we delete this one first, and then we select this, and then we want to change it to 4000. Let me change it, try it. 4000. Yeah, that move. And then also here we want to change it to 4000. Oops, sorry. So it's because it is locked. 4000. So we have to release. We have to select this one, and then 4000. So we cannot change the other side of this one. We can change only the left side of the grid to modify its spacing. So then let me change this one, arrange the yeah. So this is the manual grid line. So then you can do something like this as well. Click grid, and after that you set this one, pick line, and then set the offset. Say the offset 1000. Okay. So then when you click any existing line, okay, so it will give you I mean, not you're hovering, not tick, you're hovering on the existing grid line. It will give you the temporary grid line in the green color, and then when you click it, so then it will create so this is another way to create a grid line. So let me I escape to release the construction, and then I want to change it to 1000. Oops, Ctrl Z. So then click this one and release the lock. Let me check whether you can. Oh, you can simply change it to by click the line and then drag it. Okay, and then change it to 2000. This one to done. Okay. So then here you can see the circle is close each other and overlapping each other. So then you can modify this one either by set the what call it scale, view scale bigger, let's say to 50, so it's become smaller, but normally we set it to 100 because it's view scale. And then what you need to do, press click the grid line and then press this one, the elbow, so you can see it will give you the spacing. So you can still change like this and then of that one further. Okay, like that. Also let me go we do this as well. It's here, then move to here, and then a bit there. Or you can see there when you move there, and then when you hit parallel, so it will give you a sign, and this dot is parallel to the other line. Okay, then we select this already. You can see we created 1 2 3 to 6 here, and then after that if you want to select, you can select by from left to right, and then the object that you want to select must be what call it inside the rectangular selection. So then you can see modify contextual tab will appear on your screen, and then you select this one, move, and then you can move from this one, let's say we make it a little bit center like that. Okay, you can do select from right to left like this. So any object that intersect with your rectangular the selection box will be selected like that. Okay, to release the selection, you press escape or click any location. Okay, then we continue to have what call it horizontal grid line. Okay, like here, and then this one, and then I press escape to release because I want to change instead of numeric, I want to make it alpha numeric, or so A. Okay, then after that I create another grid by pick line here, and then set the offset. Let's say 1000, then hovering, and then tap on the top, and after that another 4000 for several times, 4000, then 4000 like that, and then after that 1000 top there, escape. Okay, then we do the same thing, create elbow and drag a little bit. After that, we select one of the vertical grid line, and then the symbol will appear, and then we drag, select and drag. So make it just nice. Okay, then we have one more thing here before we go to the elevation. When you select this one, you can see other than the circle and then another circle or bubble here, down here, you have this one. So this the purpose of select this one, when you tick it, so you have another bubble here, and then now the symbol of selection here. Okay, so it is actually by default. When you select this one, on the right side here, properties, you can change the condition. The change, you can see here plan view symbol. It is whether it is what do you call it, on top symbols or bottom. So if you want to change it to both as what do you call it, circle, you can apply and okay, you can see that both sides you have that one. So to return it back to that one, you untick and then okay. So it will be like that. Then let me continue to elevation. So the elevation you can go can jump to the elevation by pressing double click the project browser on the left side here, or you can see here we have symbols on the canvas. So this is symbols of the elevation view. So this one is view. When we hovering on this one, you can see the elevation east, and then this one the elevation of west, this one north, and so on so forth. So you can do double click on the arrow here, on the black symbol arrow here, double click, it will bring you to the east. You can see it. You move to east, and then on the project browser, the bold symbols will be on the east. Okay, so you can see here we have by default we have level 0 and level 1, and then the spacing in between is 4000. So we click, and then the symbols are different but almost the same. We have the elbow, we have the circle here, drag circle, and then the bubble symbol here. So then we can drag it, and then so outside, bring it outside. Okay, then we can add more level here. Okay, so then let me have ground beam level and foundation level down here, level 0 here. So to create another level, so we can go to architecture or structure. We have this one level, or you press LL level here, and then same goes to the level. It has two options, whether you want to create manually based on the given distance here, or you select you create grid line based on using the pick line and set the offset. The pick line, I use the pick line and then set the offset. The offset here, let's say I want the ground beam is 100 millimeter. Oh sorry, 1000 millimeter, or maybe 500 half a meter from the level 0. And then hovering here, you can see it will give you the temporary grid level, and then down here. And then before we click the existing line, you can see here there is an option menu here. So you can select make plan view. So then when you create the plan view, it will create when you create the level, the plan view will also be added in the project browser. So make sure it is tick. Then here I press here down here. Before we move, you can see here it's a different color a little bit. This is level 2, and then after that I want to have 1 meter or 1.5 meter from level 0 down here for the foundation, pad foundation, the pad footing position. So I change it to 1500. and then hovering to this one, and then done. I escape, you can see created the floor plans. Then to Allah Akbar, so Control Z. Okay, here because I forgot to release the menu, the command, so I'm supposed to press the escape several times, and so release, so selection line. So then we bend this one elbow, so then we can see the clearly, and then we can still move it down here, lower like that. Okay, then this level also you create an elbow like that. Okay, so to ensure you have a clear annotation during the design, to avoid any mistake, then here you can see it's a create continuation 0 1 2 3, but we don't want this one, this level, so you can change the level of the level. So let's say level here is the ground beam level. So when you press enter, so it will prompt you, would you like to rename corresponding view? Yes. Then here we want to change as well level footing. Okay. Yes. Okay, then we add another level, and then you can change here. 4000 is normal, but let me make it 3500. Okay, also I press the elbow, so you can change here 3500. It's not too high. You click level here, and then let's see, we forgot, and then the make plan view is disappear, I mean untick, and then I using pick line, and then set the offset to 3500, and hovering here, and on top give you permanent one, then click, so it's running dimension. Then after that you escape, I mean it's already selection cursor. Then you can see here the color different. It's blue is a black. Black is give you information and give you sign that the floor plan is not created. Okay, so how to create the floor plan? Number 4 here. First we change it to level 2 here, enter. Okay, so then how to level 2, Control Z. Do I create another one? Oh yeah, because it's still not released, I escape. Okay, I press undo, Control Z previously, and then after that I release level 2, change. Okay, I mean level 2 here, but the color is still black. So how to make sure the floor plans appear? So you go to view, and then plan view here, select and floor plan, and then level 2 here, you press OK. So we'll jump to level 2, then without the grid line. I will explain. So return back to the east, level 2 is created, and then the color changed to blue, and then level 2. Okay, let me jump to level 0. Level 0 we have the grid line, and then level 1 we have the grid line as well, but level 2 we don't have the grid line, but we have the level. So it is because the grid line here is not crossing the level line. So how to do it? To make it appear, select this one and then bring it up like that. Okay, so let me bring to the level, jump to level 2, so then the grid line appear, but still on the horizontal, on the east only, but not on the south or the north. So let me go to, we jump to the north. You see, we check this one. You can see here, at least you set 2 elevation view that I can see here. Also not crossing, you go here and then so it is crossing the level line here, and then make it also further So then here, if you want to change that, bring it down and then press the elbow, bring it down and bring that. Okay. Or you can bring it up a little bit. Done. Okay, so let me jump to level 2. Yes, the grid line appear. Okay, then we are done with the grid and level. Okay, after that we return back to architecture. Let me start to create what we call it, the component of the building. The first one, we will explore the wall.